hello, and this is what you have to do in the in the air raid. I'm gonna give you steps how to stay safe in the air raid. Step 1: always not look in the sky. Oh, and second step: wear your gas mask at all times. If you take off your gas mask and there's gas around, you're going to choke to death. Step 3. If you're near home, go home and always be calm. Step 4. If you're in the open and you hear the sirens, always lay in the ditch.
So if you want to redo it, you need to...
If you're at home, always don't go near the windows and always shut your curtains. When it's over, open them. And the third and final step, don't be silly. Or Hitler would drop his bomb and you'll die. And that is what you do in the air raid. Goodbye.